The next exercise we're going to do is we're going to be on our stomach. So in your own time, turn over until you're face down on your mat. Now, as you can see, Hannah's lying on her stomach. She's got her head resting on her hands. She's got her shoulder blades down her back. She's got a connection through her abs because it's as if she's got an egg underneath her belly button and she needs to pull her belly button in to protect it. I've placed a folded up towel underneath Hannah's hips because Hannah experiences a little bit of pain in her lower back when she's lying on her stomach. So feel free to do that. It's not necessary, but some people need it. Her buttocks are nice and relaxed. Heels are turned out and toes are turned in. And we're ready to go. The exercise we're going to do is a hip rotation. So I'm going to ask Hannah to just bend her knee at 90 degrees. And the foot is flat or flexed and just pointing towards the ceiling. Moving just from the knee, she's going to take the foot towards you. She's just going to let it roll out to the side. And then she's going to bring it to me. And what Hannah's doing is moving from a hip. There's no movement in the back. The hip shouldn't be rolling backwards and forwards. This is just teaching the leg to move within the hip socket without bringing the back into play. Now, I know this can be quite difficult. Try not to lead with your foot. So don't point the toe and follow it. So the hips stay down. And I think we'll just finish after the next one. So she's going to take it to you and then back to me. Sound like the Chuckle Brothers done. Now to you, to me. That's it. If you're under the age of 25, you'll not know what the Chuckle Brothers are. You haven't lived, let me tell you. Okay, and she's going to relax and lift the other one up. Keeping nice and relaxed through the back, connection through the abs. Nice and relaxed in the upper body. She's going to take the foot towards me. As far as she can without the hips moving. And then she's going to take it towards you. And then bringing it back. Now on this side, because this side's got a bit of a wobble, so she's a little bit less stable on this side. So she needs to work harder through the abs. She needs to connect just a little bit more. That's brilliant. That's better. Now, it'll be difficult for you because you won't have anybody watching what's happening, but you should be able to feel. And eventually, you'll become body aware and you'll be aware of what your body's doing. And if you feel a wobble, you just need to connect just a little bit more. And I'd like Hannah to do a couple more. Especially on this side. If you find one side's worse than the other, just add a few more on. Because it needs a little bit more work. This is our last one. Oh, we've got a real wobble going on here now. But I think she's getting a little bit tired as well. And taking it down. Now just ask you to rock your hips side to side and just release off any tension that might have built up there. Okay, the next exercise we're going to do is called the dart. So Hannah's placed the block underneath her forehead. She's let her arms relax by her side with her palms facing the ceiling. She's still got that connection through her abs. Her bottom is relaxed and her heels are turned out with the toes turned in. What Hannah is going to do is she's just going to lift her breastbone off the floor, bringing her head and neck along for the ride. Your face stays facing the mat, and then she's going to ease down. So she's going to take a breath in, and as she breathes out, she's just going to lift up. The head and the neck stay in line. They don't move. Can we? Okay. What I don't want is the head to move first. So Hannah's just going to show you that is it's horrible. So we don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to ask Hannah to do it again. I'm going to ask Hannah to try and come up a little bit higher. Brilliant. The crown of the head stretches away and then down. And just one more time. Now this time I'm going to ask Hannah, as she comes up, just to bring her shoulder blades together. So she's going to rotate her arms so her palms are facing her trousers. And then she's going to come back down and relax everything. And again, really squeeze them shoulder blades together. That's it. And down. Now lifting them up may seem a little bit severe at first, so you can keep your fingers on the floor and just rotate your palms in, bring that's it. And then back down. Just do two more for me. A breath in, breathe out, empty those lungs. Take a breath in to hold and breathe out as you come down. But breathing is good, any kind of breathing. Please don't hold your breath. Okay, and I'm going to ask Hannah to relax there.